Learn Gujarati fast with English, tickets, trips, questions and calm wins with.
B ticket.
Welcome to the tiny Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati without falling asleep on page 2. We will use a silly little travel story so the phrases actually stick. Picture this. You and your friend are outside a theater, holding snacks, confidence, and maybe too much optimism. You grin and say,
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
That means, I have 2 tickets. Very useful if you are going to a concert, a cinema, or trying to sound like the organized one for once. Then the trip gets bigger. You announce at the hotel desk.
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ.
We stay 3 days. Great. Mature. Impressive. But 2 minutes later, because you are a language learner and therefore gloriously curious, you also say,
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
I have many questions. Honestly, same. Always same. Your 5 power phrases. Let's line up your key phrases like superheroes, except one of them is just waiting politely. Still heroic. Phrase 1. I have 2 tickets. In Gujarati, say,
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
Phrase 2. We stay 3 days. In Gujarati, say,
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ.
Phrase 3. I have many questions. In Gujarati, say,
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
Phrase 4. We wait a few minutes. In Gujarati, say,
અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
Phrase 5. We have no problems. In Gujarati, say,
અમને કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
If you can say these 5, you already sound like a person who travels, plans, asks, waits, and stays calm. That is basically adulthood. The theater disaster that was not a disaster. Now let's drop these phrases into a fun scene. You just listen and enjoy the chaos. You arrive at a theater with your friend Ravi. He pats every pocket like a confused detective. Do we have tickets? He asks. You lift your chin with maximum drama and reply,
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
Ravi is so relieved he nearly thanks your backpack. At the entrance, a worker says the show starts a little late. So you both sit down and say,
અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
We wait a few minutes. Very calm, very elegant. Then you look at the poster, the map, the snacks, the seat numbers, and the mysterious dramatic camel on the advertisement and admit.
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
Ravi nods. Yes, especially about the camel. Mini dialogue drill. Time to hear the phrases in quick conversation. Repeat after each Gujarati line if you want. A. Do we have enough tickets? B.
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
A. How long do we stay? B.
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ.
A. Do you understand everything? B.
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
A. Should we rush? B.
અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
A. Is everything okay? B.
અમને કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Tiny word clues. You do not need full grammar today. Just grab a few helpful clues and keep moving.
2.
Means 2. So in.
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
The number is easy to spot.
3 દિવસ.
Means 3 days. You hear it inside.
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ. ઘણા પ્રશ્નો.
Means many questions. Useful for school, meetings, or life in general.
થોડી મિનિટો.
Means a few minutes. Nice and practical.
કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Means no problem or no problems. A beautiful phrase. Peaceful, powerful, almost magical. Hotel check-in, but make it funny. Let's move from the theater to a hotel, because apparently your day is very busy and very educational. At the hotel desk, the receptionist asks, "How long are you staying?" You reply proudly,
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ.
"We stay 3 days." The receptionist smiles. Great. Normal. Smooth. Then your friend asks where breakfast is, where the elevator is, where the towels are, where the roof is, and somehow where Tuesday went. You gently raise a hand and say,
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
The receptionist laughs because at least you are honest. After a short delay with the room key, you stay patient.
અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
And when everything finally works, you say the champion phrase.
અમને કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Repeat like a pro. Now I'll give you the English, and you imagine or say the Gujarati. Nice and easy. I have 2 tickets.
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
We stay 3 days.
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ.
I have many questions.
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
We wait a few minutes.
અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
We have no problems.
અમને કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Quick quiz, no panic. You are ready. This is a friendly quiz, not a school ambush. How do you say, "I have 2 tickets"?
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે.
How do you say, "We stay 3 days"?
અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ.
How do you say, "I have many questions"?
મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે.
How do you say, "We wait a few minutes"?
અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
How do you say, "We have no problems"?
અમને કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
A calm and cheerful ending. You made it, and you did not even need emergency grammar snacks. Nicely done. Today you learned how to say,
મારી પાસે 2 ટિકિટ છે. અમે 3 દિવસ રહીએ છીએ. મને ઘણા પ્રશ્નો છે. અમે થોડી મિનિટો રાહ જોઈએ છીએ.
and.
અમને કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
That is a fantastic set of real Gujarati phrases for travel, conversation, and everyday life. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your brain get used to the rhythm. You are doing great, and yes, even if you still have
ઘણા પ્રશ્નો. કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.